Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the app and make sure you have logged into your account. After that, on the home page, go ahead and tap on the account option in the bottom of the screen. And then once we're here, we're going to see a couple of options. The one that we want is to scroll down under account settings and then go to where you see payment. Now go ahead and tap on payment where you can manage your payment methods. Here, you're going to see a list of your payments, whether you have Venmo, PayPal, credit card, Apple Pay, whatever it may be. If you want to remove a card from your account, it's very easy. So on mobile, what you'll want to do is just tap and swipe to the left. So as you can see here on my cards, I can just swipe to the left on that card. Once you do, the delete option will be available. So just go ahead and tap on delete. So that's basically how you can remove a payment method on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.